Welcome to the new episode of Art for Art's Sake. I am your host Shafiq Zubair. Today's pick is a brownfield situated in Thrissur, Kerala. I give a warm undertone to the entire canvas since our subject is dominated by reddish orange and to get rid of the starchy white of the canvas. As I start my sketch, I give a meticulous observation on the diagonals of the path. It is easy to change it now than regretting later because we are in the sketching phase. And I start to put the darkest dark. In this painting, it comes on the left side of the canvas, I mean the tree. Also, the brightest bright goes on the sky. Usually, I try to incorporate this as early as possible in the blocking stage. By doing this way, one can possibly tackle the rest of the color ranges. Like here, I won't go beyond the brightest bright on the sky, and vice versa, can't go darker than the dark we have added. For example, the reflection of the sky on the water, I can't go brighter than the sky that we have keyed. Talking about the subject, I have been painting greeneries for 2 to 3 months. I always love to change my subject and approach. Recently, I stumbled upon this reddish orange field. It's winter in Kerala now, and harvesting will be started in a couple of weeks. And I myself have been eagerly waiting for it for months to paint like Claude Monet's haystack. You can find an abandoned chair in this location. It's not cooked up by me, it's been there before my painting. Next to this brown field, there is a motor shed that is made for irrigation purposes. As you see, the water on the right side will move from this side to another field with the help of these motor sheds. For maintaining these sheds, there will be a couple of folks who have to work behind it. One of them kept that chair for their leisure. You can see one of them is talking to me about this place a lot. So that's the story behind this chair. Everything has its own story to tell. We have to be patient to listen to them or observe them. That's it guys for this painting. Let me know in the comment what you think about this painting. Till then, happy painting.